Hello friends, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video and share my video with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we're going to start the video. In this tutorial we discuss that today's a new tutorial is experiment with the combinations save and reuse tips and tricks in Adobe Photoshops. Experiment with the combinations. Experiment with combination different shapes and path operations in Adobe Photoshops. Save and reuse. Save and reuse your custom shapes in future products in Adobe Photoshops. I hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thanks.